Hello guys, welcome to Chess Cuber. In today's video, we are going to learn how to solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. Before we begin, let's dive into the algorithm notations. Let's scramble it up a bit before we begin. Let's begin solving the first layer. First of all, fix a color to start with. I choose white. Create a white cross. Easy way to create a white cross is by holding the cube upside down and placing the white middle pieces to the yellow center. As you can see now, all white middle pieces are placed in yellow center. Now turn the cube upside down again and arrange white middle pieces to the white center, aligning with the corresponding center colors. That's it. The white cross is ready and the centers are aligned. Now we have to solve the white edges. For that, we have to look for the white edge pieces and bring them below the corresponding center colors. After bringing the white edge piece below, if it is facing you, then you can easily rotate the white face up, but it will ruin the white cross. So turn the front clockwise and place the white edge piece in the correct place and return back the face. Now you can see that the white, blue, red edge piece is aligned correctly. Find the next white edge piece and place it correctly to the white face. In this case, the white is not facing you, it's in the bottom. So you have to rotate the right layer down and rotate the down layer to the left 2 times, and then bring the right layer back and bring the white edge piece below the corresponding centers. Now, as previously did, without ruining the white cross, bring the white edge piece to the correct place. That's it! Now you have to find the rest of the white edge pieces and place it correctly. Even in this case, the white is in the bottom, so you have to do the same procedure. Rotate the right layer down and rotate the down layer to the left 2 times, and then bring the right layer back and bring the white edge piece below the corresponding centers. And without ruining the white cross, bring the white edge piece to the correct place. Now let's find and solve the last edge piece. Here it is, as we did previously. Bring the edge piece below corresponding centers and place it to the white face without disturbing the face. That's well executed. You have now solved the first layer of the cube and also created a small T structure. Now let's move on to solving the second layer. As you can see that the first layer is ready with a small T structure. Now, to solve the second layer, we have to arrange the 4 middle pieces correctly. For that, look the yellow face and find middle pieces without yellow color. Here we have 2 pieces without yellow. We will go with orange and green first. The orange-green middle piece to be placed in the middle of orange and green centers. For that, you have to align the piece to the corresponding color and perform the algorithm. This algorithm is to interchange the bottom layer middle piece to middle right. Now we have to find the next piece without yellow. Here it is, blue-red. As it is already aligned to the blue center, we can perform the algorithm to solve it. Now we have to find the next piece without yellow. Here it is, blue-orange. Align it to the corresponding center and perform the algorithm to insert the piece to the middle right. The last green-red piece is in the correct place, but orientation is wrong. Perform the down to left algorithm and place any of the other piece in that position, and bring that green-red piece to the bottom layer. Now the green-red piece is in the bottom layer. Align the piece to the corresponding center and perform the algorithm again. Now you can see that the second layer of the cube is solved. Now we can move on to the third layer. To solve the third layer, create a yellow cross first, and then complete the yellow face. There are 3 possible cases here: yellow dot, small j shape, yellow straight line. If it's yellow dot, keep yellow face on top and use any face to perform the algorithm. If it's yellow J pattern, then keep it to the top left and perform the algorithm. Now you can see that the yellow cross is solved. In the third case of yellow straight line, keep the line parallel and perform the same algorithm. Repeat the algorithm until the yellow cross is solved. Now let's solve the yellow face. In order to solve the yellow face, we need one yellow piece on the top other than the cross. Now there is one yellow piece other than the cross. Repeat the same algorithm by keeping that one piece to the bottom left. The yellow face is now solved. Next step is to align the corners. You can see in the video that the corners are already aligned. This is a lucky case. Usually, the corners won't be aligned. We have to align it with the algorithm. In this case, I will dissolve the corners. To teach how to solve the corners, the algorithm is same to solve and dissolve. Now you can see that the corners are not aligned, except red. If no corners are aligned, you can perform the algorithm on any face. But if one corner is aligned, you must keep that corner away and perform the algorithm. Repeat, if necessary, until you solve all the corners. Keep the matching red corners away and perform this algorithm. Now, as all the corners are paired, you can rotate the top layer to align the corners to their corresponding colors. Now all the corners are aligned. Let's move on to the last centers now. There might be a case where no centers are matching, or maybe one center is solved. If no centers are solved, you can perform the algorithm on any face. Here, one center color is already solved. As one center is solved, keep that center away and perform the algorithm. Repeat the algorithm if necessary, until the cube is completely solved. That's it! You have now learnt to solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching. Please comment your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe